Hello, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to use send to tags. So in the first scenario, say I want to send information to a NUC that I found on Rome Research, right? So what I have to do is, say I'm going to use the new member tag. Say that I am a new member whose name is also a new member. And what I have to do is I have to say, oops, it's not this case. Actually, I have to send to. Who do you want to send to? I want to send to a NUC. So what you're going to see is oopsie, in a NUC page. In a NUC page, you're going to see that this information is sent to me or sent to a NUC. And after a NUC is read, he could make notes about this and then simply erase this. Now it's gone. Oops, I'm sorry. You have to erase the tags only, tag system. Now it's gone. So notice that there is no need to attach the name of the sender because all we need is just say the direction, in this case is send to, which is actions, and who we're sending to, which is a NUC. Thank you.